Here we are, the beautiful Saline Valley Conservation Area. You can't see it yet, but just on the other side of that tree line, there's a beautiful creek called Saline Creek. Let's go take a look. Our first stop along the stream is in a small pool that has a fallen tree in it. This provides excellent habitat for many species of fish. Here we are greeted by a large school of sunfish. As we move to the backside of this fallen tree, we find more sunfish, as well as a slimmer fish with a black line along his side. This fish is a creek chub. Sorry about the blurry video here, I'm still learning my new camera. These little fish are orange throat darters. They get their name from the colorful look they get during spawning season. Darters are some of my favorite fish. Unlike most fish, these little guys don't have swim bladders. Swim bladders are what help other fish float or stay suspended in the water column. Because of this, these little guys stay on the bottom of the creek and move by darting around, hence the name darter. This guy's a greenside darter. This guy gets his name from the stripes along his side turning green during spawning season. I know he doesn't look very colorful right now, but trust me on this one. We also find a sneaky little crayfish hiding from the camera. We see you, Mr. Crayfish. We see you. Sorry about the blurry footage again. Here we have a couple of orange throat darters that have their spawning colors. You can really see where they get their name from. Moving down the stream, we find a pool that is full of bleeding shiners. They get their name from the color they have around their mouth and fins during spawning season. Under a branch, we get to meet our first stone roller. If we pause, we can see white bumps on the stone roller's head. These are called breeding tubercles. Some fish develop these during spawning season to attract mates. As we take a much needed break and sit in the pool to cool off, we are greeted by some pretty curious sunfish. These guys are not camera shy at all, and you can see that this particular guy wants to be the star of the show. While traveling back downstream, we are lucky enough to come across a beautiful rainbow darter. You can really see how streams work in this shot. You can see sticks and algae moving with the water and how the surface of the water is being disturbed. This is such a beautiful scene that I think we can just let it speak for itself. I'm lucky enough to find another pool with lots of bleeding shiners in it. I'm able to get some great footage here that I'm able to slow down so you can really see where they get their name from. You can really see the red starting to develop around their mouth and fins. During the very last stop, we find 2 new species for the day. The tiny ones with the larger bellies are called mosquito fish. These guys get their name because they actively hunt and eat mosquito larvae. The other fish is a northern studfish. The ones here look pretty drab now, but during their spawning season, they get neon blues, reds, yellows, and oranges all over their body. They're one of the prettiest fish in the stream, and are my favorite fish. This last stop really ties the whole trip together for me. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. This is just the first of many adventures to come, and I hope to see you again.